Hello?
I'm at the student health center.
What are you doing there?
I fell.
What do you want me to do?
My leg hurts.
Okay, I'm not a nurse.
I need a ride home.
I'm doing my homework and I have class in 5 minutes. Can't you take just an Uber?
College student. I don't have enough money to order an Uber.
What do you mean by college student? That doesn't make sense.
I meant I'm a college student. I don't have enough money to order an Uber.
I don't have it either. I can take you after the class. And we're talking like that.
Like what?
In fragments.
My leg is fractured because
Because what? She never finished her sentences. She can't end the sentence with the word because. That's fragment.
Come in.
What are you doing? We're resting. You have so many things to do.
because can't move.
You mean I can't move? And why can't you move?
All my bones are fragment because
Again, sentence fragment. You are always talking about fragment. You have to finish your sentences.
what are you saying? What's sentence fragment?
Shiva can't move. Because her leg is broken.
Like your sentences.
A fragment is an incomplete sentence.
Yeah, when I asked you why are you resting, you said because can't move. And you're missing a subject. You have to say, I can't move.
In order for a sentence to be complete, it needs a subject, verb, and a complete thought or idea.
So is that correct to say my leg hurts because I fell?
Very good. It has a subject, verb, and a complete idea. If you want your leg to heal faster, you need to stay off that foot.
Wait. She can't stay at home. She has to attend her classes.
In 2 days.
What do you mean by in 2 days?
If I rest, I will feel better in 2 days.
Yes, you said in 2 days. It's not a complete thought and it's a sentence fragment. You have to say, if I rest, I will feel better in 2 days.
That sentence is another type of fragment. In this instance, you need to connect the fragment to a nearby complete sentence.
Such as rest my leg on pillow and ice it.
What you're saying, such as?
Shiva said such as rest her leg on pillow and ice it. What she means is there are things Shiva can do to help her leg heal faster, such as resting her leg on a pillow and icing it.
So you mean that she just used another sentence fragment?
Yes, Shiva started her sentence with such as. It was fits when we added a clause with a subject and verb before the phrase.
So what you are saying is that there are 3 ways to fix a sentence fragment. 1. Attach the fragment to nearby complete sentence. 2. Revise the fragment by adding whatever is missing, subject, verb, complete thought or idea. 3. Rewrite the fragment or entire passage that contained the fragment.
You got it. Thank you for joining us in another segment of Pierce's Grammar in a Minute. That's actually more than a minute. We'll see you in the next one.